Yes, hello everyone, welcome back to this video and welcome to No Max TV. In this video I will be talking about AI battle in 2025. So this AI battle video is about comparing the most growing artificial intelligence tools, which include ChatGPT 4, Gemini, and also Claude AI. So we're going to be comparing those three AI tools and see how they are growing up and how we can compare each with others. What is the most growing? We'll be using the specific tasks in this phase one. As I'm going to be using the phase one, we're going to see which AI is best to perform the given task, which AI is best to perform this task. Because, for instance, if we go to the coding session, which is the first part we're gonna be using in our AI battle video, which is part number 1. So I will be using a coding session to see which one is competing or competing with the others. But also we will be able to explore what is the best artificial intelligence in maybe generating theories related to the answers. What is the most AI tool which can be able to generate also the most maybe scenarios, the most stories, the most images which are appealing. So we're gonna be also talking about each one. And also today I'm gonna be using this strategy to compare how they are capable of also doing coding sessions, or to be able to provide the codes, explain the codes. So without wasting time, let's get started. So before we get started, also remember to subscribe to the channel of No Max TV, like this video, share it to our friends, and if you have any question or suggestion, remember to leave it in our comment section. As you can see now, I'm gonna be using these three AI tools. You can see I'm using Gemini Pro, I'm using also AI Claude, I'm using ChatGPT 5, which are all premium tools. So I'm gonna be for instance starting with, let's try to say, so I'm going to be providing one prompt to every AI tool, and you see what capacity or what is the outcome from each tool. For instance, let's say I'm going to be saying create HTML websites, blog websites, which is customized, styled, and also having all the features to be competitive and a professional blog. So as you can see now, this is gonna be a blog, especially let's say educational blog. Educational blog. So this is my request from this. Also, I'm gonna use ChatGPT and request this one. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be copying this, because I will be giving them all one request and see the outcome from each. I need you to give me one code. So let's say, for instance, we have this stuff. As you can see, I have here automatic selection, decide how long to think. It will be deciding how long to think, or thinking longer for better answers. Let's also choose thinking longer for better answers. That is where it's gonna be providing better answers by taking enough time to think about it. So let's send a comment or request. Also, let's come here and paste the same request as the one I have also pasted to ChatGPT. It's the same way. So now let's go to this one and also see paste this one in Gemini Pro 4.5. So now I'm gonna see which one is gonna be providing the greatest outcome and desired outcome, and also we're gonna be comparing how each and every tool can be able to perform also these AI or these coding related sessions. So as you can see now, it automatically generates this website, which is a blog. I can see now if I come here and try to see, let's for instance try to copy this code. Let's see. You can see it has featured categories. You can see technology, science, arts, homepage. Let's see now have this code as HTML for better viewing it. You can see we can be able to see HTML viewer. This is for Gemini we started with, and you can see Gemini have preview session inside itself. If we copy it here and try to open it into the window, you can see it provided now the full and the complete website. What you can be able to do only is to come here to the top of the website and feel about these pages. You can see the about commission. So the about the avatar section is your full, the blog section is the full, the contact, the privacy policy. What you do, you can only do is to come here and be able to adjust some of the information which are not relevant to your blog or your business. You can see you have biology, history, physics. We have also start exploring, which direct you to this one. As you can see, featured is also seems to be a web page, but it looks very appealing. So you can see we have contact us section where we have this one. You can be able to contact us if you want. You can see all the sections are there. And also what you can only do is to come here and decide to see if the website is also matching with your capacity or matching with your needs, and be able to adjust to it. Now let's go to the second one and choose to look for Claude AI to see what the product it has already produced. So if we come to this Claude AI, you can see after also providing this one, it already started by telling me also giving me some of the explanation about what you want to create. As you can see, I provided a request or another for creating this website, but an educational blog is a fantastic project. Let me outline what you will create. So you will tell me if this one is good for you, if we are starting telling you what it will create. Because for me, I hear this as something which is true, because if it says what you need to create, that means you can be able to add something else. For instance, you can say, can you please add this before it gets started? So if you have you have seen this one, after providing the command, immediately it also provided the website immediately without also other information. So for Claude AI, it already what it did, it already started by providing the information to see or to hear what I'm going to create, which means something okay good that I can be able to like, because you're gonna understand what is gonna be doing. So now what I need to do, okay, continue with this, please. Continue, please. Let's say continue, please. Now I'm gonna be seeing if it is gonna be generating the website. As you can see, it is now generating the website because it has already now understood that I confirmed the features that I want to be creating. You can see it is loading here, and I will be having my website after in a while. So let's go to ChatGPT before. As you can see now, the ChatGPT has already generated the website using HTML. And also remember, HTML go with JavaScript, CSS, and others to ensure that it's well customized. So if I click on this one, I have put single file educational block. So let's try to preview the website. You can see if I click on the preview the website, it is gonna be opening as well. You see, this is my website. So let's try to see. Let me, for instance, copy the code to different section to see if they're gonna be visible where. HTML viewer. Yes. Okay, now this is my website from ChatGPT, and also let's see what it's gonna be providing to me. You can see it having search capacities, it's having everything which is working fine, and also you can see this is a blog as well. What is missing here is what? So you are now free to tell me in the comment section what you see it is not here, and also what is missing. You can see if I open this blog, you can be able to comment. It has images, it has about us section. So now tell me or let me know what is missing based on how you see this website. So I'll compare these three. So now let's go to Claude and see what it has already provided. You can see, okay, this is the website. Let's try to copy this code and see. Copy, okay. This download as HTML. So now after downloading as HTML, let's try to open this HTML file and see what is gonna be looking like. You can see now this is the HTML website. It has already provided to us, and also you can be able to see it has everything. So those AI tools are very amazing and are very competitive, my friends. If you can be able to see this website, you can see they are like, seems to be like fine websites that you can be able to visit and look like everything is very well cleared. So this having such option, let's try to search, for instance, calculus. But I cannot comment on this at this point, because if you see I have calculus and it is now trying to return a request that I have requested. That means the search functionality is working. However, you need also to integrate it with the backend to ensure that everything is working fine, because sometimes you not be able to get the information that you have not already stored. These are the front end session, and also you need to be also integrating it with the backend session to ensure that everything is working. So now if you can be able to see these category sections, so not clickable, it's okay, is about section. But if you want it to be get clickable, also you can be able to give it a comment and it will be clickable as well. Now that you see this section, now you're gonna be telling us this is from Claude AI. Now this is from yes, this is from Gemini. This is from ChatGPT. So which one do you see is, you can see these are black, okay? So which one do you see is competitive, or which one do you see to be the best compared to the others? I provided one comment to both of them, and they provided me the outcome, which are websites I requested. If you compare these requests and if you compare everything it has provided here, which one do you think is the top, or which one do you think is the best to be able to facilitate you in the coding session? And also, which one do you see has provided the best or the accurate website or blog matching your need based on the prompt I have provided? So it is not this cannot be giving you the is not limited to show you the capability of this AI tool, because only you see the command I have provided. You need to provide the detailed comment, including all features you need, including how you want to be, including how you want them to be looking like, to ensure that every AI is going to be creating something that has full details about it. So now you're going to be telling us, based on the command I provided, which one can be the best, can be the first for you, and it can help you to be able to create, to develop different websites, or also you can be able to use as your AI developer assistant support tools. So thank you for watching this video. We'll continue with the next part by looking on how, by comparing how these top AI tools can also be able to perform different tasks in different parts of the video. This was the first part, and also we'll be looking how it can be smarter, maybe advising, maybe searching on the internet, maybe responding to the glitch questions or the third deep questions. So we'll be able to see different capacities or different comparison between them. So now it's your time to provide different comments about how we have observed everything, and also how you can say that this thing is working fine or this thing is not working fine. Also, what I can say is that all both tools are working, but selecting the one to help you can depends on your preferences, and also how you want to be building your project and which project you want to be building. So remember to like this video, share it with your friends. If you have any questions, suggestion, remember to leave it in the comment section.